guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a fast makeup tutorial using this palette right here, and we're going to do also something different with the eyebrows today. I've been kind of feeling boring with the eyebrows I usually do, but yes, today we're going to change it up a bit. If you guys want to know what I create today using this palette right here, please keep on watching. You guys, so this is how the palette looks like. I already made a video using this palette and showing you all the colors and all the goodies that it has. Most of the colors do look alike, which is maybe the reason why I didn't like the palette, but today we're going to give it a shot today and just try to recreate a look that is maybe more better than the one I did in the beginning. So I'm not quite sure what to start with, but I do want to do like a type of fade out type of situation. So we're going to go ahead and get the brightest color. As always, you're going to use the fluffy brush that I have right here. I got this at Sephora a really long time ago, and I have kept it all these years, almost I think 2 or 3 years. So yes, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and grab the really bright color that's called, we're not gonna use that many colors. We don't want to get, you know, caught up in the moment or whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and use Juicy, this one right here. We're gonna go ahead and use this one right here, Juicy, and we're gonna put it in our outer crease. Oop, let me put this right here. Sorry for the background. When I film on my camera, it's kind of way better because, you know, I get to put the camera where I want it. In this situation, the phone basically goes where it can go because I don't have a little stand-up thing, so I just put it basically next to my foundation, so it's kind of easier. We're gonna go ahead and grab Juicy. I already went and put my what's it called, concealer. Usually I do my eyebrows first, but today we're gonna try something different, which is why the reason I have this. So we're gonna go ahead and start right here in the inner corner of the eye, and we're gonna extend it to the outer corner like so. Right, so this is a really bright pink, so it doesn't look too harsh. Remember, you guys, if you guys are just learning makeup, make sure to start with the really light color. Once you put it right here, you have to start with the really bright color. You don't want it to be too harsh, you know, because I mean, most people do it like that, but it just depends. But I think the makeup looks better when the top color is a little more of a fade out. You can also extend it almost like right here. You could clean that up later. Wow, I literally spit on my mirror. You clean that up later with concealer, so don't worry about that. So right now we're just gonna fade out. Don't add any more product. Just blend towards the top, and that's what we're gonna do right now. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do this to the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I already went ahead and cleaned my brush. Sorry for the noise. The trash can guy is outside making a ruckus. But yes, we're going to go ahead and apply Devilish into our brush. And we're going to go ahead and apply a little bit lower, like right here. A little bit lower than the other one, because we don't want it to, you know, be too harsh at the top. So make sure not to put it all the way to the top, just a little bit lower, like so. So I think this is the reason why I didn't like the palette, because the colors don't blend in nice like they should. Like, see right now it's getting really patchy. You guys can't really see it because it's my phone camera, but it gets really patchy for some reason. I don't think it's my concealer. Oh wait, no, it's kind of blending. Yeah, it gets patchy here and there. I don't know. You guys really have to blend that out. Alright, so as you guys can see, it kind of looks like that. I'm gonna go back to the Juicy color, and we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit more to the top so it doesn't look harsh like it's looking right now. So I'm gonna go add a little bit of Juicy at the top, and yeah, it's looking a little bit better because you don't want it to be too harsh. Alright, and we're gonna blend that out with the other color, which is Devilish. So we kind of have the little dark fade out right here. As you guys can see, it's a little patchy, but I mean, it's okay. It doesn't look too bad. Alright, you guys, so I already went off camera and cut my crease. If you guys don't know how to cut your crease, I do have some YouTube videos on my channel that you guys, obviously they're from YouTube. I do have some videos on my channel that I most likely will put up here, so you guys can go ahead and watch my crease tutorial if you guys do not know how to cut your crease. So we are going to go ahead and choose another color that we're going to go ahead and pack in the crease. So we're going to go ahead and use I think we're gonna go ahead and use Bing. As you see right here, this color right here, we're gonna go ahead and put that color in the, what's it called, where we cut our crease. So we're gonna go ahead and use this flat brush that I have right here. Flat brush, also from Morphe, and it's from the James Charles brush collection that I had for a while. So we're gonna go ahead and get the Bing color, and we're gonna go ahead and pack it. Hopefully it doesn't do us wrong. Is really pretty. I don't know how I'm gonna put some shimmer there, but we're gonna try to do that. All right, so we're gonna start looking something like this. It looks horrible right now, but do not worry. So a little trick that I usually do, I always get the brush, this part of the brush right here, the pointy part right here, make sure you dip that into the eyeshadow as well, so you can get a nice even application. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here, start from the inner corner, slowly to the top. Sorry if I'm talking weird. Slowly to the top, and do not touch. Slowly to the top. As you guys can see, it starts creating that little line effect right there. But lately I've been using it a lot, and it doesn't look too bad. Look, it's like a beautiful fade out. Like, I don't know, I've been into that lately, and it looks really nice. So go ahead and do that. Do not add a lot of product, just a little bit. Sorry if I look yellow now, because my mom turned the light on, and the light, it's yellow. All right, so it starts looking something like this. We're gonna go ahead later on and clean our face with the concealer and the foundation and all that stuff. So this is the final look that I want to do today, I guess. I did want to have a little bit of shimmer in the middle, but I think we're gonna add that at the end when we're done with the rest of the makeup. So I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so that is the end of the video. This is the final look. Hopefully you guys like my makeup tutorial today. I did add a little bit of the brown onto the bottom, and I also did my eyebrows this type of way. My image was completely different to what I wanted. It came out like this. I honestly cannot mess them up anymore because I'm gonna be late for work, and I cannot have that because then I'll get in trouble. But if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the post notifications so you can get notifications when I upload another video. Again, you guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.